Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 13th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I just don't know what to say. We had another fabulous day, and I'm beginning to wonder what's really going on here. You know, the Dow didn't do anything today. It closed negative, down 20-something, and normally our profits correlate to how the Dow does. It's not perfect, but generally speaking, if the Dow goes up, we get into quite a bit of things, and we tend to make money. And when it goes down, the opposite is true. Lately, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has just been drifting, not doing anything, and we are just absolutely cleaning up. Today, we closed out almost $28,000 in closed trades, and we're carrying another $5,000 in open trade equity into tomorrow. And the $5,000 doesn't sound so much when you start talking about closing out $28,000. But I looked at those trades. We got quite a few markets, and all but one of them is positive. And it's just like nothing we can do now can go bad. We got the Midas touch. And I'd like to think it was because of my market selection, but I'm not sure. I just don't know why we are doing so well, but we are doing well. And you know, the system we trade, it's funny. Things tend to balance each other out. And usually, you know, if you have a bad week, you'll have a good week coming up. This time, though, it seems like last year we had a bad year, not a good year last year. And it's just like this year, everything's going right. We can't go wrong. It's just like 2013 is going to make up for 2012. I don't know if that's the answer. Anyway, I love it. We're doing well. Let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and I'm not going to spend much time on this because it really doesn't tell us much about how we've been doing. But you could see here, last couple of days, this thing's just been drifting, and it ended up closing down 26 points today. I don't think it was positive the whole day, or maybe just at the beginning, but nothing much there to look at. The Dow is just drifting, and normally when that happens, we drift too. Not so today, not so yesterday, or on Friday. Let me show you a couple of the trades to indicate my euphoria. This is CSIQ, or Canadian Solar, and you can see here last Thursday we jumped into this just little pop-up here. Didn't look like anything particular, and then we got into Friday, and man, this thing really took off, and I was dancing on the ceiling. I thought this was fabulous, and then not anything compared to today. It just shot up again, and when the CSIQ got up here, it was up over $20,000. It did pull back a little, and we got out, not at the absolute high, obviously, but we still made almost $19,000 on that. That is one very good trade. I'll show you another one, and this is our old friend, Mankind Corporation. And Mankind has been so good to us recently, but it really put in a good one here. We bought this on Friday, right out of the gate on Friday, and it just kept going. And I thought, wow, that's really great, good old Mankind. And this morning, it just took off like a bird again. And this is what I like, folks. What we have here is kind of like a head and shoulders formation with a 15-minute bar, and we get out of that thing almost at the top. I mean, we couldn't have done that better if we had planned it. I mean, that just is absolutely perfect. And we took almost $10,000 out of Mankind Corporation on that trade. And so, as I say, I do not know what's going on. The market gods are smiling. We're making a ton of money. We love it. Hey, I won't ask too many questions. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.